Hello viewers, Poco has launched Poco Pad in Indian market at a price point of 20,000 rupees after offers and cashbacks. This is a 5G variant, so a lot of users have actually bought this tablet, but they are now repenting for their decision of buying this tablet because the battery life of Poco Pad is terrible. Some users are complaining that it seems like Poco Pad has only 4000 mAh battery and not 10,000 mAh battery. Actually, this happens with Chinese brands. They claim something, but their products actually come out differently. No doubt, Poco Pad is a very good tablet. It offers a very good display and multimedia consumption on this tablet is excellent. Plus, it comes with quad speakers which will give you immersive sound quality, but the battery life is not good on this tablet. It runs on Android 14 with HyperOS. It has many features. It has multi-window, parallel window support and support for many other apps. You can open many apps simultaneously with this Poco Pad. You can attach keyboard and also it has pen support. However, if you have to buy this pen and keyboard separately, so if you are a student and want to use pen on your tablet, in that case you have to buy it separately. In this case, Samsung is a very good brand where you get S Pen in the box free of cost. I think instead of buying Poco Pad, you should definitely buy iPad 10th generation if you want video editing or if you want multitasking on your tablet. However, you may buy this if you are agreed to use this tablet and charge this tablet twice a day. If you are a heavy user, in that case charging will be a problem for you, there is no doubt. Also, the multimedia consumption, the stereo speakers and the form factor of this tablet is very good, and you will thoroughly enjoy this tablet if you leave aside the battery backup of this tablet. Other than battery backup, all the things are great in this tablet, so you will have a great experience. But I will suggest you to wait for few days till Big Billion Days sale comes, when you will get a great discounts on each and every tablet, and then you can buy whatever tablet you actually want to buy. If you have already bought Poco Pad, share your thoughts regarding battery life and the usage experience. This video is made only to let you know about the battery life of Poco Pad. I think you find this video helpful. Please hit the like button if you find this video informative. Share this video and subscribe the channel for more such interesting videos. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a great day.